This week you'll be studying the verb to be in past tense. And as we'll be reading and listening to the biography of some very important people, it's important to say the years in English correctly. But how do we say years in English correctly? Well, when talking about the past, we normally refer to a specific year. But it's important to understand that it's different to say a number in mathematics and to say the same number as a year. For example, in mathematics, this number will be 1985. But when we refer to years, we say 1985. That is, we split the number in two, and we first say 1985. In the case of this number, we will say 1994. And the last example, 1867. So as you can notice, these numbers are split in two, so we can say the year correctly. 1985, 1994, 1867. In the case of these numbers, we will say 2001, 2002, 2009. But with these years, we have two correct options. 2010, or we can as well split the number in two and say 2010. This one, for example, 2018 or 2018. Notice that we split the number in two. Or this last one, 2020 or 2020. Well, and there are these also these numbers that can have a very special pronunciation. This number, or this year, sorry, we will say 1807. 1807. 1902. 1609. But with these years, we say 1600, 1600, 1700, 1900. So well, this is the pronunciation of years in English. Continue practicing.